The biggest reason for which I am angry as a citizen of this country, it is my fundamental right to feel secure when I move out of my house. I don't have to worry that there could be lumpen elements from a neighboring nation who could come, enter this country at his will and shoot me, my family members and the citizens of this country whenever he chooses to at its disposal. Let me make it very clear that post 2008 happenings in Mumbai, the city has not seen any incidents, not because of the security provided by this country, but simply because the intentions of the neighboring nation were not to conduct something of this nature. And based on the reports which are emerging, today is probably Kasab's birthday, and they have tried to show this nation that this is the way we are going to celebrate Kasab's birthday, right? And if that is reality of the situation, I want to ask P. Chidambaram, what is the gift that you are going to give to the neighboring nation? As I told you, this is a very closely networked community, right? So the people immediately took the situation into their hands. People started managing the traffic, and people who were there right at the site, they themselves arranged for the vehicles, they picked up the bodies, they arranged for the cars. But yes, the policemen also took charge of the situation much more quickly than the regular course of business. And then we had a flood of the police vehicles coming after 30 minutes. But, you know, putting all of this aside, I would like to say one simple thing, and I would request CNN not to edit this. It's a question mark on the credibility of P. Chidambaram and R.R. Patil. Please wake up. This is high time, right? People's lives are literally put at risk, and the government is absolutely at loggerheads trying to manage what is something which only the government knows. When a person goes out of the home, he does not know whether it's going to reach home or not. This is the legacy that the citizens of India are bearing after having put Congress into power for 50 years. And I am not a BJP spokesperson.
We had the anniversary of 7/11 was just 2 days ago. What would you like to tell? What is your feeling at this point in time?
Well, there were stories floating around in the market that before the judgment comes around for those blasts having taken place, they had very clearly sent signals that we would try and send a strong message before the judgment comes out. And it seems that they have probably done their duty. And that's the reason I said before, will the government do its duty now? Right? It's a question mark that each and every citizen here is asking, that the government wakes up out of its slumber. We do not want this to be a regular kind of scene, right? Where the media comes, posts the bomb blast, and, you know, a couple of pages coming up in the newspapers, and as usual, this show goes on. That is not what the public is expecting now. This has probably reached the pinnacle of shamelessness of the world's largest democratic country, right? We even need to move to being strongest from largest.